In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook language from one language to the other. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you like the video and also support me by subscribing to this channel. So to change your language on Facebook, it is quite simple. Just head over to menu here that is shown by your profile photo. If you go ahead and tap on it, then proceed by tapping on this settings gear. Now scroll down and then under preferences, look for the option called language and region. If you tap on it, we have here quite a number of options for languages that you can select. For instance, we have language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. And also we have that language for translation of posts and so on. So if you want to change the language of how the buttons appear, titles, and all the other text from Facebook, go ahead and tap on this first option, language for buttons. And then you can see your current language. It is the device language. So by default, it will take your device language. However, should you want to change this language, then scroll down until you find your preferred language. For instance, I'll change this to Swahili and I have Kiswahili here. If I go ahead and tap on it, it will go ahead and change my language to Swahili. And now everything here from Facebook is in Swahili. So that's how you change your language on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.